up, guys? Today we are back in an awesome video, and
we're about to land in Orlando City.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna pack up my bag. So, sorry guys.
Don't mind me, I'm just drinking water.
Yeah. So, he'll impress them with do something. Because I'm trying to get my stuff back up before we land.
Yeah, we're about to land, guys, in Orlando.
Impress them, not just talk. Okay, I'm not even done. I'm not done yet. So, I forgot I have my coffee. Oh my god. If you guys like to fly, subscribe. Yeah.
If you guys like to fly in a plane, like, comment, and subscribe.
Maybe not comment. I don't like comments anymore. They're so mean.
Okay, yeah, maybe not do comments.
Yeah, do comments. I need more comments.
If you can comment.
If you can't comment. Yeah, if you can. If you can't.
Night. Night.
Dad, do you hear that?
Can't believe someone actually replied.
I know. Well, that was so funny. Look at that view, guys. Guys like it?
Like, yeah.
Someone was like,
I'm like,
look at that view, guys. Look at that. That's so cool. I'm in my pajamas. We came in at 3 a.m. So, let's go. Oh, God.
I'm surprised someone actually replied.
I know.
I'm like,
And I wonder where my phone was. I was like, oh yeah, I was recording. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I was recording. Oh damn. Okay, so. Oh god. I hate flying. It's the worst thing ever. I'm so scared of flying. So if you guys.
that's weird.
Probably down. Okay, I'm trying. I hate this. I like that. Okay, so. Oh, look at it! Look at it, guys! What's the runway? Guys, try to help me find the runway.
I'm not gonna find the runway.
Guys, help me find the runway! Okay. Okay, we're fine. Okay. You guys might be mad.
Some of the planes destroyed.
Huh?
Look at those two pieces right there.
No, it's a
Those
person.
are flaps. That helps your altitude and that helps your altitude with the plane. Like moving you up or down.
So, see how it's going down? They're trying to get it straight. Yeah, my friend actually, I'll call Grayson. I'll call Grayson when we get back. Oh, look at that! We're gonna just. Guys,
That's a goner.
subscribe, please. It's my baseball.
Subscribe. I got a baseball night going on and I just hit a dinger.
Tomorrow's.
That's gone. That's gone.
Okay, so. Alright. If you like this, if you like Disney, we're gonna do. Oh my god! Look at that! Look at that!
That's a day to get around.
Ow! My ear hurts from that. ears finally unclogged. Okay. Alright, so if you guys want us to put some Disney, oh, there's a boat, guys. See that? It's a boat.
I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat. Five to me,
Oh.
guys.
Hey, that's on top. I mean,
If you're wondering, the score is 5 to me.
What message failed? Oh, it's done. Who likes my shirt? Sleeping at wheel. Okay, I don't like comments. Don't comment on this video. Comment on shorts. What about you comment on shorts, not videos? Okay? I'm gonna tell you that. I'm not gonna tell you in the beginning. What was that? What was that?
The wheel's coming out.